Snapshot glitch. Hello guys, in this video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. And after this, what you should do, you have to go and open apps option. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You have to search just for Snapchat. Open Snapchat when you found it. Then you have to go to storage option. Here click on clear cache and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to back. And what you should do, the last step, you have to restart your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.